Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nancy and Apron. This morning I'm going to make a mini waffle. Thought I better get my waffle maker out if we're going to do waffles, right? Oh me. Okay. Alright, I've already got me one egg in here. I'm going to give it a little whisk. And to this I'm going to add a tablespoon of yogurt. Now you can use your favorite flavor of yogurt, your favorite brand. But I'm going to do blueberry today. Get that in there. Clean off my... I'm sorry, my nose is itching. There's a lot of allergy issues happening today. But I'm going to go ahead and mix those in together. I've got my little waffle maker heated up. And I did put some non-stick spray on that. Just a little bit more. All right. Next up, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of almond flour. What I need to do is take that out of there. I don't know why I do that. Leave a measuring cup sitting in something. Now you can put some psyllium husk in here if you want to. I'm not going to. I'm going to skip that part. And close that down. And then I'm going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to go ahead and give this a good mix. And I'm going to switch from my whisk to spatula. And I'm going to put 1/2 cup of mozzarella in. About that. Yep, you're not going to taste the cheese. As long as you don't put too much in, you're not going to taste it. And then we're just going to mix this all together. Just like that. You see the blueberry in there? Okay, so it's 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese that you're going to put in last. 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of almond flour. If you're going to use the psyllium husk, then do 1/2 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and then a tablespoon of yogurt. And this should make 3 mini waffles. We're going to let it cook 1.5 times. You'll hear it click. When it does, just do it for like a minute or so more. 1 to 2 minutes more. So you get that good crisp on it. So I'm going to do 3 of these and then I'll be back. If you're not careful, you will overflow. Don't put too much in at a time. Yeah, I'm going to top mine with some blueberries. Why not, right? We have blueberry waffles, so it may as well have some blueberries on the top. And some sugar-free syrup. And there we go. A delicious breakfast. Low carb, keto friendly. Now, let's get a taste. Tom is not a blueberry fan, so, and he's at work anyway. And this is mine. I took too big of a bite. Look at this. It's light and fluffy and so good. And like I said, you can use any yogurt that you want to. You can use plain yogurt. It is Greek yogurt that I'm using, by the way. But you can use plain yogurt. Some strawberry. Put just more strawberries on top. Peach. Put your little peach on there. Whatever you want. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will. Click the subscription button and the notification bell so you know every time that we put new content on. And thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you like what I'm doing. Y'all take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.